It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Tamale Sparta. Tamale Sparta with One War. So, Tamale Sparta with One War. We're going to jump in the one and here with the G of say. Big up Tamale.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Bossy the music. Shot by Bossy the music. No. Produced by Bossy. Sorry. Big up production properly. Produced by Bossy the music. Shot by Incro Drops. Big up yourself. I love to give credit to the production team. That's just me. Big up on yourself though.
Shot play through every rifle. Check the spit saliva. The rifle them lift up and beat them free. Whole place mash up when Sparta step hard like elephant feet.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Happy day I shot at you.
Let's go again.
Happy day I shot at you.
Rifle, shot play through every rifle. Check the spit saliva. The rifle them lift up and beat them free. Whole place mash up when Sparta step hard like elephant feet.
Man, I compare the step what them I make with hard. I compare it to elephant feet. You know, so when elephant step, it shake the ground more time. Depends on which one them step. The boss I say, yo, anytime Sparta step, the whole place a shake like when elephant a step. What a comparison further on in the news.
Check the spit saliva. The rifle them lift up and beat them free. Whole place mash up when Sparta step hard like elephant feet. Have some militant girl what we make your mother buy be a coffee and read.
Yeah, the boss say, him have some militant gal who make your mother buy coffee and read. So him not if you send him dogs them out there, him have some bad gal out there we can do it. Easily, a girl trick you and kill you. Easily.
Have some militant girl what we make your mother buy be a coffee and read. Pull up on your hands extension, military weapon, 21 day. 21 day. You want war, we bring beef. Vengeance when I roll with teeth.
You want war, we bring beef.
What? Military weapon, 21 day.
What?
21 day. You want war, we bring beef. Vengeance when I roll with teeth. Shut a fight till fist and the boys up in concrete. Be a gunman in a clique.
That powerful in a dog. Fear shot fly through your face and still have enough impact if you go mash up the concrete in a dog. Like how, what kind of machine that in my boss?
Shut a fight till fist and the boys up in concrete. Be a gunman in a clique. So anytime you want to see a maker, pussy try run a pussy. Be a gunman in a area. Make you all I wanna go feel. Say the pussy them free. Take them food and capture the wife and tell them coffee more brain.
Take them food and capture them wife and tell them go for more bread. So him a kidnap the wife and Pitney. Yes, Pitney now get left out of this. We are kidnap your family, brother, and tell you go on for more bread. We not kill you. Go on for more bread. Yeah, extortion and they say they kidnapping. Say
the pussy them free. Take them food and capture the wife and tell them coffee more bread. All them attack and I run up them boat dog. None of them no better than dead. When jump to wall and circle them ends and mash up him head. Pussy them free. And rich and gifted boy. If I'm try this system boy. Gunshot twist him flicking. Them are gonna twist like biscuit boy. Send to
I'm gonna crisp like biscuit. Yo.
And rich and gifted boy. If I'm try this system boy. Gunshot twist him flicking.
Don't try this system.
Like biscuit boy. Send two bad girl tricking. Seriously you mistake boys. You're gonna lick in. Joe war, biggest teeth. Black chip on a man can see. Just a licking eye me back and I broke up him teeth. Then I cocky pussy dookie. Tropical must sweet like a venomous breeze. Anyway, you know we come read. I better feel Me no hear my miss. Nothing I must breeze. Anyway, we come read. I better feel me bumbo clock eagle. I go and feel me bumbo clock eagle.
I bet say you no bumbo clock evil. Somebody say I bet say you no evil. Alright then, go and feed me bumbo clock ego. Go and feed me ego, cause my ego tell me say yo I'm mad thing I go on now, so go and feed it, brother. Rude. Anyway, we come read. I better feel me bumbo clock eagle. I go and feed me bumbo clock ego. Me no hear my miss. Hello, pain and grief. Be a bad knees, be a down knees. Mama pray for me. Any day I want to see a baker. Pussy try run a pussy. Watch a bad girl with the sniper. A movie family shoot. It's a movie this. Watch a bad girl with the sniper, brother. I load it. Any day I want to see a baker. Pussy try run a pussy. Kill up gunshot in her ass down. Let the whole I wanna go feel. Go on war, we bring beef. Think chance when I roll with deep. Shot a fly 3 fists and the boys up the concrete. Be a gunman in I click. So anytime I want to see a baker. Pussy try run a pussy. Be a gunman in the area. Let the whole I wanna go feel. When I ready, just try. We full of kings and we full of big ties. Hold up on the ferry, them a chick no flick fries. Make y'all a bossy berry, make y'all funeral cry. Them shot fly through your eye. Leave a rifle. Gunshot does a spit saliva. Man compare the gunshot to saliva. Saliva, gunshot a pit saliva. Spit in your mouth. Spit saliva. Ink drop. Great visuals, great visuals, great visual. Fast day the music, big up. Bad logo bad, I like it.
Hustle music.
Yeah, big up yourself, Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee, you don't know when the man drop them type of song, the song them all is grimy. The visual well put together, like me say, big up the production team, boss the music, ink drop, video is shot great. Some nice scenes in it. Tommy Lee, what can I say about it goes the boss? Tommy Lee is just Tommy Lee, bro. Tommy Lee's style is always different, and Tommy Lee has never tried to imitate anybody else in the music business. Tommy has always been true to himself, and like Tommy is the first artist to bring that dark gothic energy, the gothic dancehall to Jamaica, and Tommy Lee has owned that lane and stayed in that lane there forever and make some classics in that lane there. So I want to big up Tommy Lee, bro. I want to big up Tommy Lee, dog. Big up man thing. Big up Tommy Lee if you keep doing it, bro. You see me? But yeah, if you enjoy that one, I want to see more from Tommy Lee. Click on any one of them 2 videos and click on them and enjoy them. And make sure you drop a like on the one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.